Your phone rings, an insistent, anonymous vibration against the desk. Your focus shatters. You glance at the screen. It's a number you don't recognize, a string of digits from a city you've never visited. Immediately, a familiar sense of annoyance washes over you. Is this the long-awaited call from a potential employer, or is it another automated voice promising an extended car warranty for a vehicle you sold years ago? This constant digital intrusion has become a universal tax on our attention. It's a persistent disruption in our otherwise carefully curated lives. It's a problem that has grown from a minor nuisance into a daily source of stress for millions. The invasion of privacy extends far beyond a simple interruption. These calls chip away at our sense of security and tranquility. They arrive during crucial work meetings, pulling your attention away and breaking your flow. They buzz in your pocket during a quiet dinner with family. Worse yet, they can jolt you awake in the middle of the night, your heart racing, only to find it's a scammer. This daily onslaught forces us into a state of hypervigilance. We've learned to scrutinize every incoming call, to second-guess every unfamiliar number, and to live with the low-grade anxiety of not knowing who is on the other end. The mental energy spent managing this deluge is significant. For many, the solution is to silence their phones entirely, risking missed calls from loved ones or from legitimate businesses, just to get a moment of peace. The problem is clear. Our phones have become sources of constant, unwelcome noise. Thankfully, the solution doesn't require a third-party app or paid service. It's a powerful, surprisingly simple feature built into iOS. It lets you filter your calls and decide who gets the privilege of making your phone ring. Think of it as a polite bouncer for your digital life, turning away the riffraff. A quick, elegant fix to restore your phone to its intended purpose, a device that serves you. Imagine a world where your iPhone only rings when a friend, family member, trusted colleague picture a day uninterrupted by robotic voices. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality made possible by a brilliant, underutilized iOS feature. The feature is aptly named Silence Unknown Callers. It acts as an intelligent filter, a digital gatekeeper guarding your attention. It's not about blocking calls entirely, it's about managing them smarter, less intrusively, so you stay in control of your auditory environment. The genius is in its simplicity and its use of data already on your device. Silence. Unknown. Callers cross-references every incoming call against 3 databases. Contacts list recent outgoing calls, Siri suggestions. If the number is found, the call rings through as normal. If the number is a complete unknown, you've never saved, never called, no connection to your digital life, the feature silently intercepts it. The phone doesn't ring, it doesn't vibrate, it simply remains quiet, preserving your peace. This silent interception is the core of its power. The call isn't rejected or buried in a blocked abyss. Instead, it's forwarded quietly to your voicemail. You don't have to decline or feel pressure to answer. The spammer hits your voicemail greeting while you remain undisturbed, working, relaxing. Activating this powerful feature is remarkably straightforward, requiring no technical expertise. The entire process takes less than 30 seconds, buried just a few taps deep within your iPhone's main settings menu. Apple has designed it to be an accessible, set it, and forget its solution. To begin your journey toward a quieter digital life, locate and tap the gray gear icon on your home screen to open the Settings app. This is the central command hub for your device. Once inside Settings, scroll down through the various options. You'll pass sections for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular. Continue scrolling until you find the block of Apple's native apps, Mail, Contacts, Calendar. Among them, you'll see an entry with a green icon labeled Phone. Tap Phone to open the call settings. This section manages call forwarding and caller ID. Inside phone settings, scan down the list, Wi-Fi calling, calls on other devices. Near the bottom you'll find Silence Unknown Callers. Tap that menu item to proceed to the final step. This is the gateway to regaining control over your phone's ringer. The simplicity of finding it is a testament to its user-friendly design. On the final screen you'll see a single toggle next to Silence Unknown Callers and a short explanation. By default this switch is off and appears gray. To activate it, simply tap the toggle. It will slide right and turn a vibrant green, indicating the digital gatekeeper is active. That's it. There are no further questions or confirmations. From this moment forward, any call from a number not in your contacts, recent calls, or Siri suggestions will be silenced and sent directly to voicemail. A common and perfectly valid concern when enabling a feature like this is the fear of missing an important, albeit unknown call. What if your doctor's office is calling from a new line? What if a delivery driver needs to contact you? Apple anticipated this concern and designed the feature with a safety net. When Silence Unknown Callers intercepts a call, it doesn't just vanish. Instead, it's rerouted to your voicemail. The caller hears your standard greeting and can leave a message, just like if you declined. Every silenced call is also logged in your iPhone's call history. Open the phone app and tap Recents to find it. You'll see a list of incoming calls and outgoing calls. Silenced calls show up like any missed call, with the caller's number and the time they called. To get the absolute most out of the Silence Unknown Callers feature, a little proactive organization goes a long way. The single most effective tip: save important numbers to your contacts. Take a few minutes to go through your recent emails and text messages and add numbers. New business contacts, doctors' offices, service providers, your children's friends' parents. The more comprehensive your contacts, the better the filter. This digital housekeeping ensures people you want can ring through. The second crucial habit is checking your voicemail and the recent calls list regularly. Legitimate but unknown callers will be sent directly to voicemail, so review them. Perhaps set a specific time, once in the morning and once in the evening, to quickly scan for important messages. This prevents missing truly urgent calls, like roadside assistance, or a prospective employer setting up an interview. Treat your voicemail inbox like an email inbox that needs periodic checking. A third powerful strategy: proactively inform important contacts how to reach you. When you're expecting a call from a new number, for example a contractor or a specialist office, give them a heads up. You might say, "I silence unknown numbers, so if you call and it goes to voicemail, please leave a message and I'll call you right back." Or, alternatively, suggest they send a text message first to introduce themselves. This sets clear expectations and reduces the chance of missing a critical connection while keeping the feature active. Finally, remember, Silence Unknown Callers is just one tool in your digital wellness toolkit. You can combine it with other features for more granular control. For instance, use Do Not Disturb or use focus modes. Use these for periods when you need absolute, uninterrupted silence, even from the saved contacts. Use these features together to create a system that adapts to your needs, like during a critical meeting, or when you're studying for an exam, or simply enjoying a peaceful evening at home. Mastering these tools gives you control over your device and over your time and attention. It solves interruption without risking missing something important, balancing accessibility and tranquility. Ultimately, Silence Unknown Callers gives you back authority over who demands your immediate attention. In a hyper-connected world, an incoming call is a demand on your time and mental energy. By automating stranger filtering, your phone becomes a more trusted companion. When your phone rings now, it's far more likely to be a call you want. This simple switch turns your device from a public loudspeaker into a private line for the people and communications you value most. Get ready to enjoy a calmer, more focused day. Like, subscribe, and share your experience with Silence Unknown Callers in the comments below.